I have a very exciting opportunity for you. We are expanding our training offerings down at the PLC lab, and on October 15th, 2025, we will be putting on a pneumatics training brought to you by Shingle and Gibb and put on by SMC Pneumatics. In the morning, we'll do a core products overview where you'll learn the fundamentals of pneumatics, the components such as valves and actuators, how to read pneumatic diagrams, get hands-on experience connecting and troubleshooting them, and see how they integrate with the PLCs. In the afternoon, you'll get to demo various pneumatic products, including SMC's air management system, which has a very impressive return on investment. We'll have the technical specialist here that can talk to you about your specific applications, and we'll also open up the PLC lab for you to have a look at as well. Now, space is limited in the morning session, so if you're near Roanoke, Virginia, then click the link in the pinned comment and sign up today.